I recently figured out that Calima on the Canary Islands can be actually of a different origin, and they differ by the color and by the effect on the human body. For that, I had to remember the topic of my master thesis, studying of atmospheric aerosols with lidar. LIDAR is like this big machine with a laser which shoots it up, this specific one shoots up the atmosphere, and then depending on the signal that you receive back, you can measure the wavelength and how dense the aerosol is in the air and how big the particles and so forth. So this specific Calima that was recently, you can see the photo in the background I posted earlier, and it is from the 16th of February. This dust that arrived to the Canary Islands was whiter than normally. I remember, I don't live very long on Tenerife, but I remember the previous Calimas, they were mostly yellow color, yellowish color. This one was white. So I got curious and I tried to figure out where this dust is coming from. This particular mineral dust came to the Canary Islands from the region of Casablanca, and they had a lot of carbonates in the soil, young ocean sediments, and limestone, which produced this whitish color. And the particles of this specific sand from this specific area are smaller. They are flying faster, they're distributing faster, and you can remember how fast this Calima came, and it arrived to Tenerife really, really fast, and it also dissolved really fast. Why? Because the particles are lighter. The interesting fact about this particular white color Calima is that it may be more harmful for the human body, since the limestone comes into the contact with the mucous membranes and the eyes, and it may cause this like little burning sensation. So I would recommend wearing a mask next time you see this thing coming. Moreover, this type of Calima, the white color Calima, may cause cooling of the islands. It's not very straightforward because it is normally hot when the sun is shining, but if you notice, the past days were cooler, and this is because the white Calima has a very high reflection coefficient, the albedo, and the particles prevent sun from penetrating the atmosphere properly, and the atmosphere is not being warmed up properly. Night temperatures were as low as 16-17 degrees, which is still not very normal for Canary Islands. I'm talking about east, south, and north, maybe colder, of course. This is something that I didn't know before, and once I learned it, I wanted to share it with you guys.